Hey, yo, Sean, you gotta tell your dog. Your dog's keeping me up over here. You gotta calm down, Sean. You gotta tell him to be quiet. People trying to sleep over here. Sean, Sean, you gotta tell that dog to be quiet. I can't sleep over here. I don't want this. I don't want this, Sean. People, drive me crazy over here. Sean, I don't want this. Sean, you better keep that dog quiet. Sean, speak up. I can hear you. Sean. No good.
How do you cancel a recording? I don't want to save it. I just want to cancel it. What do I hit to cancel the recording? I don't know how to do this. No, when you hit stop, it just says save recording. Nah, I can't do that. You don't have to save. No. There's a way to just do it so you don't. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have no choice. Guys, do not post your numbers in here. I will not do it.